Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to make Vada Pav. In a pan add 1 cup dried grated coconut and fry until golden brown. Add 12 garlic cloves and fry until golden brown. In a jar add fried coconut, garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons groundnut powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, salt to taste and grind until fine powder. In a pan add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon hing. Add 8 to 9 finely chopped green chilli. Fry until golden brown. Add chopped curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 4 to 5 large diced boiled potatoes and give it a mix. Add salt to taste. Slightly mash the potatoes. Switch off the flame and let it cool. In a bowl, add 1 cup gram flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add a pinch of baking soda for crispiness. Mix all the dry ingredients. Add water gradually to make medium thick batter. Mix well. Add water if necessary. The batter should be medium thick. Take a portion of potato mixture and make a small ball. Dip one potato ball at a time in the batter. Hold it upside down so there won't be any extra batter. Deep fry the potato balls one at a time. Fry them until golden brown. Cut the pav into half. Take the Vada Pav Chutney and apply to one side of the pav. Keep the vada and give it slight press. And it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Happy cooking!